here.
And Michelle.
And we are
Adventures Ahead.
I feel like you're off the camera with your body.
Oh.
Your head's still cut off. You gotta get in here.
I don't want to be in it.
Okay.
Well, today's treat box.
Treat box! Ah! Dang, you flipped that open, huh?
Yeah.
You're the knife person. Where's my knife? All I got is this.
Man, they are getting considerably worse about packing these. Cause
why?
Like, this wasn't even...
Oh, we got glue. Gorilla glue.
I forget the...
I don't know what
Scotto did tell us, and I forgot.
Scotto told us. Don't know what that is.
Nah.
I like that. Oh, Thailand.
Oh, yeah. Thailand.
Thailand. Guys,
we know it's called Thailand.
That's off The Hangover, too. This is the temple in Thailand.
Stop.
So, Michelle, go ahead and read some of these.
It's called the Land of Smiles because people who live in Thailand smile a lot.
Okay, so this is the Thai iced tea. Ooh. Go ahead and pause that if you want that recipe. But go ahead and read some facts. I want to go
to Thailand. It's the only Southeast Asian country that was never colonized by a European country. This is why they call Thailand, the land of the free. Oh man, Thailand has over 1,430 islands in total.
Wow. Don't look at the next week yet, though.
I'm not. I'm just
Why are they showing elephants? They use elephants a lot?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, let's just get into it.
Okay, Michelle's reading this. Okay, stop. She's reading too much.
I read it all.
So this is called...
Whoa, what?
I know, our box is packed.
There's lots of cakes in here.
Yeah, and there's 2 of each. They must know us. Look at...
How do they know us?
I don't know. But, we got 2 of everything.
Yeah, I see that.
They packed it. So this is called Triple M Stick Spicy.
It looks like a freaking seaweed.
So...
Should we open one or both?
Well, we each got our own.
It is seaweed. This is the percentages. It's 98% seaweed, 1% sugar.
I don't see this on here. Is it...
Crispy seaweed roll. That's what it is.
I don't say Triple M.
Well, I don't know.
It says crispy seaweed roll is seaweed snack shaped like of a cylinder, savory in taste and crunchy in taste. These crispy... You think we should only open one?
I don't know.
I guess you're right. Let's save one.
You're going to eat a bunch of seaweed.
No, just give me a bite. Show them what it looks like. I don't like seaweed, I don't think.
I like it.
What the hell?
Ooh, it stinks.
Oh!
That good?
Oh my god.
You
took like the hugest bite!
It tastes like kale.
It said spicy. Oh wait, yours is different?
Mine's original.
Oh, mine's spicy. I guess we... No, I don't care. Screw that.
These are going straight in the garbage. It's like dried cake.
Oh my god, dude. This is called chocolate cake. These are look the same. Show them package. Chocolate cake by Euro. Chocolate custard cake. The round, soft chocolate cake with a creamy center. This cake comes with individual wrap, which makes it perfect for a treat and carry on the go during the day. It goes well with coffee, tea, or milk. Ooh, that does look good.
It smells good too. You gonna open yours?
No.
Can I just break it?
Yeah, show them the middle. How are you? You already broke it once.
I know, but all the chocolate's on one side.
Are you kidding me right now? Show them. Good job.
That one has more chocolate in it if you wanted that. This is way much better.
What'd you just say?
Way much better. Than that. How's the chocolate? It's like a spongy texture and not necessarily a good spongy texture. It will be good in some coffee or hot chocolate, don't you think?
I don't like those.
Okay. I'll eat this later.
We got another one.
Ooh, the chocolate is good.
I got a custard cake by Euro. One of the most popular snacks in Thailand. This is the perfect treat for satisfying sweet tooth cravings.
All they eat is cake and stuff, or what? I can't open
That
this.
seaweed was sick, dude.
Roasted seaweed. Oh, good thing I had a big strong man here to open it.
I can't open it.
I couldn't. Well, did you show it?
Uh-huh.
Is it good? This feels like it's a little different. This cake is lighter, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
I also like the custard better in this one. The custard's lighter. This is just like a bowl, like a round thing of chocolate. This is like light and fluffy. Mmm. I already like these. I already know.
These are called strawberry Pocky sticks.
They're chocolate.
This is strawberry.
These are chocolate.
Okay, well, we got chocolate.
I already have had these.
Supposed to get strawberry.
What the actual?
Treat box, we coming for you.
This is a good one, though. They sell these at our grocery store. In the International. Let me do it!
It's freaking cold outside
Here,
today,
take this
guys.
and do it.
It is cold outside today. It is,
Baby, it's cold
35.
outside.
Don't sing that. You'll get in trouble. It is like 35 degrees
It's
outside.
gonna snow, and it's like April 14. See, these are chocolate. We've already had these on here, too.
They look like willow tails.
Are good.
Mm-hmm.
I already knew that.
Those are really
I used to
good.
buy these from the grocery store. What's next, Josh?
I don't know about this one.
Was it seaweed?
Nope. Solar dried banana.
Solar?
Yeah. Solar dried banana.
Slow or slow? Solar.
Solar.
So like by the sun.
Our delicious dried banana made using an innovative
Ugh.
and hygienic process called solar greenhouse drying.
Ugh.
These bananas are natural, chewy, and rich with vitamins and extremely healthy.
Looks like a whole banana.
It is.
Yeah. That's a whole banana, you think?
You think it is?
I think that's a whole banana. Pass. It's got a weird taste.
I could probably eat it. It's not as bad as that seaweed.
I wouldn't want to eat it though.
So we got two of these.
That's the inside of it.
We got two of these, but we're going to open one.
Ugh, man, this
We
is
got a lot of cakes.
a interesting box.
Here, it's the next one. This is called
Is this it?
Elle's Chocolate Cake.
This is the last thing.
Yep. Chocolate cake with white cream filling. This cake is a perfect combination of chocolate and cream and comes individually sealed, making it a perfect snack to enjoy on the go.
How come I have so many problems?
I don't know.
I thought it smelled like cinnamon, but it doesn't.
You're like this, trying to show like way over. No, you're not on the camera. Jesus.
Pretty bland. Don't you think? I think I'm okay.
Kind of has a chemical taste to it.
I'm good. I thought it was gonna be like cinnamony
No, it says chocolate.
or something.
So,
That's the box. They jam packed it because it was
with
all
gross stuff. Okay, so what's your favorite item from the box?
this thing.
I'm saying Pockies.
Pockies are good too, but I like this.
I'm Pocky's. Worst thing. Give me that son of a bitch. Seaweed.
That was gross.
Dude, this is sick. We're throwing this in the garbage. No one's eating it.
We'll send it to somebody if they want it.
Okay, what's our next? Okay, here's our clue, guys.
Hopefully it's better than Thailand.
Thailand. Clue for next month. Oh, is that? That looks like. Is that Jerusalem?
Maybe.
Next month, treats come from a deeply religious country. I'd say that's Jerusalem, right? And with
Isn't
its
that a
capital
city?
considered to be religious, and the capital considered by the religious Christianity, Islam, and Judaism to be the holy city.
Yeah.
Country also known for being a hub of. So is that Jerusalem, right? Or
I think so.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it's Jerusalem. I don't know. So we're gonna have like a lot of like holy treats.
Israel.
Oh, is it Israel?
Is Jerusalem in Israel?
I don't know. I'm not a map expert. Okay, guys.
If you're interested in Treat Box, you can go. We never tell people how to do this, but you
Yeah.
can go to just Google search Treat Box, and it's $13.99 a month for this.
Yeah,
box.
it's really affordable, isn't it, Michelle?
Yeah, I think it's a good. Usually, it's a good value. It's pretty hit or miss with the what kind of treats you're getting, but we enjoy it.
Yeah,
And
I mean, $14 a month. We get to do this
And
video
includes
and have
shipping.
fun. Right. And we get to have fun, you know, and they send us
we get to try different
they
stuff.
send us the gaggle of stuff to try.
Yeah.
Some of it's bad and some of it's really good.
Yeah, we've had some really good stuff from here too.
I'd say overall this box was bad.
Yeah.
Thailand, I'm not moving there.
I would still visit there.
Oh, okay. You'll eat the seaweed, huh?
I
Dude,
like that in
I
sushi.
literally... Oh, that was the worst. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe.